Hey guys, alright, welcome back to this week's plan with me. It is the week of Easter. As you can tell, I already laid out my base. I don't know, I just did it because I was bored, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I really wanted to film it. So this is where we are. Okay, so today is Thursday. It is our 1 year that we have been in this house. I'm so excited. So I have my handy dandy notes right here. This notepad I will post the video below. It was in my Erin Condren haul. So yeah, let's just start filling it out. Alright, so I already have some of the stuff down. I have to clean. I always clean Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. I just added the Glam Planner Bippity and Boo, well, little girl with the mom for Adriana and I playing outside because it was just gorgeous weather here that day. And then I put one of those third boxes to mark work. Oh my gosh, the character sticker is Emma from ScribblePrintsCo, super old. And then at the bottom there, the box with the sad emoji from the freebie from the kit was for Adriana falling. At the bottom, the 3 heart checklist, that will change out soon, so I'll just move along with it. Moving on to Tuesday, there's a payday, and then a video went live on my main channel. I'll link that below. It's like vlog channel. I do hauls, cleaning videos, all that kind of stuff. Alright, so I moved back to Monday now, and I'm gonna put a half box, not the half box that's there, don't worry, I'll move that again too. And then I replaced and kind of moved around things again, you'll see. Sorry for sniffling, it's early in the morning. Alright, so I fixed the box that I'm going to put Adriana fell in. She was chasing her dad down the driveway. She didn't want him to leave for work, so she was so upset, and she just went down. Okay. So I don't know why I put these stickers down in like weird order. I don't know, and didn't put characters everywhere, but underneath of my video went live on Tuesday, my mom visited Adriana through the window, and then I put the 3 heart checklist at the bottom because it was the first time I went out of the house. I went to Dollar Tree, Aldi, and ShopRite. The label underneath of that is for my husband getting more shrubs, and then the piece of washi underneath that is we went outside that night. It's been really nice weather here. Moving on to Wednesday, I did start from the bottom, like to work my way up to kind of make sure things fit and like where I could put things. So I have the clean at the top, and then the third box is for work. I had a lot of work that day. The washi is for film editing and uploading my Thursday video on my main channel. And then towards the bottom, the first appointment label is for putting together Adriana's Easter basket. So right now those 2 little characters at the bottom I put down are from PastelCo. I don't know if she has them anymore. Mine are really old. On Wednesday, the little girl with the salad is for ordering Chipotle. That is from Glam Planner. And then another old Emma sticker at the bottom there to relax with the wine glass. That was my first half, and now you will see it all filled out and moved over. Alright, so now we opened the planner to do the second half of the week. I filled out the first half with my favorite pen, which is the Papermate Flare medium point. I'll link them below because I just love them so much. I like that it's a little bit thicker. Alright, so moving on to Thursday the 9th, it was our 1 year in our house, which it went by so fast I can't believe it. Underneath of that, I put a fancy label with another Sadie's Stickers YouTube icon for my video going live on my main channel. I try to post like 2 or 3 times a week. Underneath of that, I put a strip of washi with a clean office strip from Little Paper Prints. Underneath For the bottom over there, I put another third box with an old Emma character from SPC and a work SPC script in silver foil. Underneath of that, I add another half box for back planning. I'm gonna have a video go up of January, February, and March because I only did one plan with me for them, so that way I could do a little flip through. I think that'll be nice. Moving on to Friday, I cleaned again and I did a lot of work. I had work earlier in the day. I had another job, but my job started earlier today, well, earlier that day, so I marked it the same as I did before. And then underneath that, I'm gonna add a fancy label. I feel like I used so many fancy labels in this spread. So I'm gonna put a fancy label, and I'm gonna put a little bunny from an older Once More with Love Easter like sampler sheet of a bunny for cleaning Piggy's cage. We have a guinea pig, his name is Piggy, and I had to clean his cage because my husband was at work. Usually my husband does it, but my husband works like crazy hours, which haven't really, like, the craziness hasn't started yet, so. And then I'm going to add another fancy label. Like I said, I used a ton of them. And a Lolly and Pop, or I guess it's just Lolly there. Glam Planner. It was a sampler sheet from her monthly eating a burger and fries because we had 5 guys. Then I did another fancy label with another Lolly and Pop on a computer for ordering from Old Navy. I'm gonna do a video, or I guess I'll put it in with another video. I bought 3 pairs of leggings. I love their leggings. And then at the bottom I put another Lolly eating soup because Adriana and I had ramen because my husband was working, or he was somewhere. And then at the top I used one of those square boxes with another Planner PixieCo dragon with a shrub for my husband doing some more yard work. And then I put another, like the first little thing, actually, with a car icon on it for my husband doing an oil change on my car. He was up super early, I guess because he was working early mornings all week and he had off that day, so he was just up. So yeah, he did an oil change on my car, and then I put a strip of washi with the happy emoji. We got Adrian a Frozen bike. She was so excited. And then at the bottom there, which you can't really see, is I put a squared off half box for doing an egg hunt with another Glam Planner teeny. Our neighbors hid eggs. They peeped us. It was cute. And then in the fancy label, I did another Easter Glam Planner kit, or Glam Planner character for me filling eggs, and then the happy emoji. We had a fire outside. Sunday was Easter Sunday. I have that little Lolly in the bunny costume for Easter. And then I do put a fancy label with, not Celeste, I forget who the blonde was, but SPC doesn't have character stickers anymore, which I'm so upset about, but that was for brunch. She's eating pancakes. And then I did a label for our egg hunt that we had, that, you know, the Easter bunny left eggs this time, with a little Once More with Love character. And then at the bottom I do another label with my mom visiting, my husband's mom, you know, out the window because social distancing. This is what our life is. Yeah, she gave her all of her Easter presents. So my mom had came earlier in the week and did it just in case she didn't, you know, we didn't have time or whatever. Then at the bottom there, I'm just going to put a half box, and then I'll rearrange so the spacing is a little better because it drives me nuts. And I washed my hair, and I used one of these. Whenever the pages from Glam Planner have like all the girls, it's usually from your monthly subscription, which I like because it just has a lot of characters, and they're usually a good size, and you get a variety. Yeah, for washing my hair and having just, you know, a nice early night. We had a really calm Easter Sunday, so that was great. And then I'm just filling everything in. Like I said, I fill everything in with my Paper Mate Flare Medium. I love it. I have them in every color, but I really only use the black. I'll link them below. They are just my favorite pens. They work really well on glossy stickers, so they're just my favorite. My handwriting is crazy. But I did want to show you guys what the finished spread will look like, so I wanted to fill everything out for you.
My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely and all these things.
Alright, and that is what my spread looked like after I filled all of it out. I'm going to put in how many hours I worked, check off all of my habit trackers, and fill in Lou's schedule. He had off Saturday and Sunday, which was nice. It's still the beginning of their like work, so they're not super busy yet, but he will be. And then I just wanted to place all of the deco because I really haven't been doing deco lately, but I wanted to get it all up there. Alright, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I know it wasn't that long, but hopefully maybe next week mine will be more of like a talk through and it can be longer. Alright.